Brazilians. Where's Brazil?
Portugal.
No.
Oh.
No, I mean, I'm from Brazil. But where?
You're from Portugal though.
No, I'm from Brazil. But where is Brazil?
I don't know. Asia apparently. North America. No, North Africa. I don't fucking know. Could be in England for I know.
Did you study the countries in your school?
I really didn't. I don't know where anything is apart from Mexico because I looked at the map.
The next station is
She thinks,
on the right hand.
Okay, French guy, do you know where Brazil? Please, which continent? Okay, which continent? Which continent? Like,
Spain.
Spain is not Europe. Spain is from Europe. Okay, which continent?
I really don't know. Brazil. America. God.